loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Latoya Ebony. I do mainly type 4 natural hair care videos with a sprinkle of fashion here and there, so take a look around, subscribe. But today is the day in which I put on my surgical gloves. Oh, it doesn't give me the pop I was looking for. I wanted the drama. I'm like this because I want to color my hair. I really want to color my hair. However, I'm chicken and I'm also an actress, and that would mean like a whole new set of headshots, etc., etc. And outside of wearing a wig, I figured I'm just gonna have to do a temporary color. Now, this is the cool part about this, is that this brand washes right out. So I went to Amazon, right? I saw these and I was like, this is it. The brand is Mofajang hair coloring material. But I went on Instagram and I said, hey, I'm gonna do this temporary color. Do you guys prefer purple or red? And y'all said purple. So I'm gonna be using the purple one. I've taken the seal off already. Look at how vibrant that color is. It smells like perfume, literally perfume. Anyway, let's get started, all right? My hair is freshly washed. It's slightly damp, not soaking wet or anything. I have absolutely nothing in my hair. I've got a spray bottle next to me. I have a leave-in conditioner. This is by Cream of Nature. My son uses this. First, I'm gonna start by just dampening my hair. A little bit more than what it already is. Disclaimer, I have no idea what I'm doing. I don't know the best method. Y'all can leave me tips if you want. The reason why I did twists instead of loose hair is because I need sections, I think, leave-in. This might be a little bit too thick. And now for the moment of truth. Why am I so excited? So a twist not for definition, but just for separation maybe? Okay, so I'm not expecting to get an amazing twist out. I actually want like a big fro. But I'm going to be just twisting my hair so that I can have that elongation a little bit and separation. Okay, so I am about halfway done. Woo, let's not do that. With my hair, and I have to say, this is so much easier than I thought it was gonna be. So basically, I'm just, you know, dousing my hair with a little bit more water. The first ingredient in this product is water, which means it's water soluble, which means it's gonna wash out easy, which means that water is gonna help it spread and not separate. Let's see. I'm putting my leave-in conditioner on top. I will admit I can't really feel my hair, so I don't know how moisturized it feels. Knowing me, I'm probably gonna have to add another moisturizer at some point. And then I'm just starting from the ends and just making sure that I work in small enough sections so that I can actually really coat the hair. And because it's a cream, honestly, as long as I take my time, it's not getting everywhere the way that I thought that it would. Okay, I may have added too much on these ends. Let me fix that. Hold on. Let me add some to the roots or something. I still can't imagine what it's gonna look like when this is done. Quite honestly, I still just can't imagine it. I think I'm gonna have to take this one out again and like smooth through the ends because I feel like this is a little bit too much product right here. but I'm just gonna finish the rest and then come back. All right, everyone, my hair is done. I'm gonna let this air dry. You know, it's not sopping wet, so I'm hoping that it'll be done by tomorrow. Lord knows I don't know what I'm gonna do with my pillows. I think I'm gonna have to lay some towels down, but I will see you tomorrow, all right? For the big reveal. All right, I'll see y'all. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It is now the afternoon of the next day, and I am here to reveal what's happening. Okay, so I ended up twisting it. I put it back because I needed to sleep, but I did put a towel down so that, you know, my hair did not transfer, or the color didn't transfer onto my pillows, you know what I'm saying? But let me just tell you, the crunchiness of this, it feels like a hard sponge. Also, I'm very much aware that taking out these twists is probably gonna leave some little crispity crunchities on my shoulders. I'm not sure if there's gonna be color that comes off, though I must say that this wax did dry fairly quickly for my low porosity hair. Okay, now that my hair is colored, it's purple, I am going to attempt to separate and fluff. Okay, so this is how my hair is right now. It's very dry, and I don't care how good my hair may look. I am not going to go throughout my day with dry, crispy hair if I don't have to. So we're just gonna see how this performs if I put some moisturizer on it. So now I've got to put my fingers back in my moisturizer, and I realize I did not think this through. My hair looks amazing. Let me fix my face and come back. Well, I am back. I am back, and can I just say, hold on. Let me just give you guys a view. Okay, can we just say that this is a look? This is absolutely 100% a bona fide look, and let me just tell you, ladies and gentlemen, Zoe is serving all kinds of looks, all kinds of fierceness, all kinds of Bratz doll. I don't even know what this is. All I know is that I look like I have a wash and go, and I did not do the wash and go process. So I am happy about that, number one. Number two, the vibrancy of this color. I mean, can you see it? Are you seeing what I see? And my hair is not damaged by this process. Nonetheless, oh my goodness. For real, I wish this was a sponsored video. This works so well. There are a couple of drawbacks. Number one being that the crispiness of my hair, when I first came out of those twists and I had not applied any moisturizer, if you guys could have seen my clothing, there was just crispies all over my clothing, all over my shirt and my pants. It's not cute. But on a scale from 1 to 5, 1 being trash, 5 being amazing, mwah, bon appetit, so amazing, perfect, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna say for ease of use, I would give it a 4. A 4 because you still do need to use gloves. Definitely don't play yourself. Put some gloves on, okay? And if you're like globbing it on too much, there is the tendency, or what is the word that I'm looking for? There's a possibility that little globs will go flying places, and you know, you could stain a few things. Don't do that, okay? Also, sleeping at night, you definitely want to sleep with a towel over your pillow, something like that. I mean, thankfully this did not transfer while I was sleeping, like at all, not even a little bit, because it was already dry. So I would say ease of use, 4. I would say cost, 4. I personally would say 5, actually. I thought this was super cheap, and I would definitely pay for this over and over and over again. I have no qualms about that. I will link this down below. I got it on Amazon, and it was relatively inexpensive. But let's just talk about what we all came for. And that's the look, the color, the vibrancy. Not the swing. The swing was just, that was just a byproduct. I didn't know, because the wax really weighs the hair down. It elongates the coils. It makes them look like curls to me. I think, wow, it really highlights anything that you have going on. I think that the look is amazing. I think that the color vibrancy is a 10. So I'm definitely going to give that a 5. 5, 5, 5 for the look, hands down. And my hair is not damaged. You mean to tell me that I can have this look without sweating my behind off underneath a wig and I don't have to damage my hair? Now, the one major drawback is if you don't use moisturizer, your hair will feel dry. So put them gloves on, add your moisturizer, okay? Don't play yourself. I put the moisturizer on top and it didn't really take away from the color very much. I dampened it a little bit so that my hair wasn't crispity, you know what I'm saying? And I feel like it really worked out. I love it. I cannot wait to like leave these four walls. I can't wait to show my hubby, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be like, Zoe's in the building. Okay, I feel like a new woman. Also, I just want to shout out Dennis, my editor, for the amazing work that he's been doing with my videos. I know a lot of you guys have been saying how dope my videos have looked, how dope my intro looks. That is all Dennis. He's amazing. He sort of combined, you know, my style with his, and he basically added an extra level of dopeness onto my videos. And so thank you, Dennis, for that. Thank you, you guys, for supporting me. Thumbs me up, thumbs me up. We are over 80K. Hey, 80K. Hey. So thank you so much for that. If you are interested in an actual wash and go method, I was taught by the king of wash and goes himself, Anthony Dickey. I will post that video there. It has been getting a lot of traction lately. People love that, the knowledge that he's giving. And under here, I'm just gonna put my playlist, you know what I'm saying? Playlist of hairstyles in case you need some ideas. I'm loving this. Oh my God. Okay, let me go. Bye.